viewers, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm revealing this hair from Aligracehair. Came in this bag. This is it. It's straight wig cap that came with it. Then there is a card Aligracehair. So when you leave all 5-star, you get 6% off. No other thing that came with it. That is all. So it's kept in this bag. It's 20 inches and the density is 180 density. 20 inches, 180 density, and it's straight. I like straight hair. When the hair is straight, I'm really happy. Color is black. 20 inches. Okay. Came already with baby hair. You see that? But the lace is not bleached. So you guys know what I use. I'm going to use airbrush legs on it, on the lace. You can use your foundation. You can use foundation. You can dye the roots. Then you can use airbrush legs just to change it, or use the color of your foundation on it, whatever way you want. Let's see if there is shading. There's little shading from it. See this? It came plucked, okay? They plucked the hairline, or you can do more. If you are the type that really wants your hair wet plucked, you can do more. But today I am not doing that. The wig came also with some combs hair, inbuilt adjustable strap. I really like this hair. Okay, let's work on this. I'm just going to install this wig. So by the way, I'm going to leave the link on the description box, so if you're interested, you can check that out. At the back there's a small lace, okay? So with this, you can pack your hair ponytail. If you want to glue this down, you pack your hair ponytail, and that's a good one. Before I will apply the airbrush legs, I want to see how it looks on my skin before I will do that. So you can see that it's really white on my skin, which means I need to use the airbrush legs on it. Really, if you want to twist this hair, you can twist it. Twist this the more. You see, they did some baby hair. They brought out some baby hair, okay? This is what they brought out already. So I'm going to follow this. This they did already. This is what I'm going to follow, okay? To make it easy. I don't want drama today. I just want something very, very easy to do. Since they did this, why not follow? Alright guys, we'll just follow this and get this wig installed. So you see the hairline. You can pluck this more. If you want, you can just pluck this. But I want to use a trick for this hair today. I'm not going to pluck it. There's a part here. I'm going to follow this part, even though it's not on the right side for me. So you can see the difference. I use the airbrush legs on it. You can see that it's the same thing with the color of my skin. So I'm going to comb this backward. I'm going to glue this down. But before I do that, I use wax stick. Take the hair backward. Sometimes I'm looking for a very easy way to install wigs. Sometimes all the long process, I'm trying to avoid them and do something really quick and simple. Quick and simple and beautiful, if that makes sense. So I closed that the pattern. There was a pattern on it. I had to close it. cut from here and glue that down. So I've glued it down. I'm going to clean all the glue from it before I tie the hair down, because I can see some glue in front of the hair. I don't want that. I'm using water to clean it. So now I'm just going to tie it down.
There ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be back.
So I'll still clean it. Clean the glue from the hairline. So I'll use another pieces to tie here, because I want it really glued down. So I tied it down. Now I'm going to brush the hair backward.
Something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go.
Oh, this hair is so soft. I'm just going to straighten everything.
Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought.
So I'm going to lose.
It's not ungrateful.
I'm going to use my beauty blender to touch the front of it.
We gotta go our own way. Yeah. This was not a good stay. Gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah.
Use my bronzing powder to bronze the front of it. And I'll use that same powder to open my parts. I'll just widen it.
I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. Yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly away.
So guys, that is it. I did not bring baby hair out. You see, I just lay it like this, and see, it's so beautiful, perfect, gorgeous. See, this simple and beautiful. So this hair, if you want to coil it, you can coil the hair. It depends on what you want. So if you want it straight like this, you can just straighten it. I want it straight, so that is why I left it like this. See the front, so perfect, well glued down. There's no problem about it. I'm going to leave the link on the description box. If you're interested, check that out. Okay guys, so I will see you guys in my next one. Please gorgeous, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. Okay, thank you so much for doing that. I appreciate it. Thank you.